So today I am packing because I am off to LA on Saturday. So I'm going to London tomorrow and I'm going to go and stay with my friend and chill out with her. And oh no, actually I think we're going to go out for dinner, which will be really fun. And then yeah, I'm going on Saturday morning at 12 o'clock. So I'm super excited and I really can't wait to go. So yeah, I'm looking forward to a bit of a break actually, even though it won't really be a break, it's kind of like a working holiday. But I'm just looking forward to some sunshine. It has non-stop rained for like the last 3 days. And when I'm sat at this desk just for like, oh my God, I don't even know, like so many hours trying to sort out everything for the launch of the Glow Life. It's been quite a lot. So I'm really excited to be going and just go get some sunshine on my face, which will be great. So yeah, so I thought I would do a packing video or well, it's not really a get ready with me, it's like a pack with me. I don't really know what you call it. Thought I would show you kind of what I'm taking and the beauty products I'm taking. I'm trying to approach it with a very minimalistic view because I know that there's going to be so much stuff that I want to bring back and I've only actually got 20 kgs that I can bring with me. So yeah, I just need to try and be really good and strict with packing everything so that then I have extra space and extra weight to be able to bring some stuff back. So yeah, okay, well, let's get on with it. So you'll have to excuse my face just because I have not put any makeup on today and I don't intend to. So this video is going to be me makeup free. So I apologise. If you do not want to see this face with no makeup on, then please wait till my next video on Sunday. Anyway, I just thought I'd take a bit of a break from packing because I wanted to show you some exciting things that have come in because I thought they would be quite fun for you to see. So this came through in the post a few days ago, no, maybe 2 days ago, something like this, which is very exciting. And it's a whole letterbox of raw chocolate, which is just delightful. So Conscious is an organic raw chocolate company in the UK. And they do some really phenomenal chocolate. The mint and the orange are particularly amazing. But I'm so excited about trying these, especially the coconut crunch. And it has chia seeds, coconut chips and pumpkin seeds in it. Oh, let me get it. The next thing that's actually come in and it gets released today, I only got it a couple of days ago, is the latest Beauty Heroes box. Now, this is amazing especially for January, just because loads of people are like trying to get a bit healthier and this is just amazing. So what you get is a coconut cream powder, which I tried out this morning and it's phenomenal. It's so good. It tastes delicious. And you just use this in, say, if you want to make a matcha or a turmeric latte or anything like that, then you can add this in and then you just stir it in and it's really amazing, or like whisk it. And then you come onto these, which are really different. So this one's a beauty tonic and it's called Mangosteen Hibiscus. Okay, sorry about that. I was just having dinner and now I'm having a little glass of red wine. So before I start just drinking this whilst I'm making my YouTube video, I thought I would carry on showing you the products that have been sent through the post. So I was talking to you about the coconut cream powder, which is really cool. I am absolutely loving this. The Mangosteen Hibiscus Beauty Tonic from Beauty Heroes. I tried that. I'm not entirely sure I love it. It tastes kind of, It's made from, obviously, hibiscus plant, but it kind of tasted a little bit like sour almost. So I think I made it wrong, because in the Beauty Heroes box, you get a little leaflet with it. And in here, it tells you some recipes that you can do. So these are some recipes here. And I tried the Adriana's turmeric tonic, which was absolutely delicious. And that was with this Kjaer beauty elixir, which actually has some delicious ingredients in it, which is turmeric, mangosteen and ylang ylang. And I did that with a teaspoon of turmeric, the coconut cream powder, some water and some coconut sugar, and that was really, really yummy. Oh, and also a pinch of cinnamon, and that was really, really delightful. But the Aphrodisia Beauty and Euphoric Tonic, which included the mangosteen hibiscus and the Euphoria tonic, which this has hibiscus, bark extract, and loads of other things in it. And it just wasn't to my taste. But I still think this is amazing, and I'm gonna play around with these two and see what I can create in terms of health drinks, just because I drink matcha. I'm trying to reduce my coffee intake. I was only really having one a day anyway, but I started to have matcha just this week with the Glow Life launch, just because I was a bit stressed out and didn't want any coffee kind of like messing with my hormones or messing with my body. So I decided to try some more drinks like this, and I am really liking them. I just want to play with these a little bit more to kind of get the consistency and the taste right, because I love sweet drinks. So yeah, anyway, this I feel is a really, really great box. It's absolutely brilliant. It's worth a ridiculous amount of money. It's worth $92, and you're getting this in your Beauty Heroes box for way, way less. So that is phenomenal. I'll leave all the links to everything down below as well. But the next thing I wanted to move on to that came in recently, which I've been testing out. I've been testing this out. I haven't had a chance to test this out yet. And this is Tresor Argan Oil and the Ultimate Makeup Remover. Now, I really like this. It doesn't really smell of anything, so it just smells of the argan oil. So it's completely natural. And you can use this on your skin, on your hair, and on your nails as well, and also on your body. And I'm really liking using it. It's just a really, really nice oil. And I'm yet to try this, but I'm quite excited to. So if you've ever tried this, then let me know, because apparently it's had some good reviews. The next thing I am loving at the moment is the Bye Bye Beauty Mega Mist. Now, this is being stocked in Harvey Nichols, and I'm really excited for these girls because I've met them a few times and they used to do some blogging, but they've moved into making their own products, and they're just all really, really amazing. And in particular, I'm loving the Mega Mist, which is a hyaluronic acid toner, and it just feels really great when you pop it on. It's really satisfying, actually. Spraying this on your face, like the amount that comes out is just, I don't know. You know, sometimes when you spray something, you're like going forever, whereas this one, like, you spray it a couple of times and you're like, yep, that's enough. So it's such a little things when you're doing beauty blogging, isn't it? When you're just like, oh yeah, that was a good press. So yes, and also such cute branding. Oh my goodness, you just can't go wrong with pink and gold. And finally, the last thing for this little haul, which it's turned into, also I've got some red cheeks from having my dinner and a little glass of wine. This is the Air Perez Australian Blue Cypress Face Nectar. I've been using this for the past like week, no, maybe 2 weeks. And obviously I can't do a full review on it just yet. But oh my goodness, it smells phenomenal and it goes on so nicely, and my skin like just copes with it really, really well. So I'm very excited to keep using this. I would definitely get this. This is going to be a favorite for the month of January because it's just so nice. So it really reminds me of the Beauty Owl Skin Evening Drops. Oh, I can't remember the name, but it's really lovely. So yeah, that was the last product. The final thing that came through was the Dr. Roebuck's skincare, which got sent through a couple of days ago. And what you get in it is a boost and tightening serum, a face scrub, and some anti-aging cream. So I'm really excited to try these out. I'm going to bring the scrub with me to America, I think, just because I think it would be really nice to try that out. And yeah, they're actually going to be at Indie Beauty anyway, so that'll be really nice to be able to go and chat to those guys too. So yes, hurrah, a little PR haul. So I best get on with the packing really now that I've done this little haul. I just kind of want to sit here and chat to you though. Just so much has been going on with like the Glow Life launch. I have been working like a crazy person over the last, especially the last 3 weeks. And I'm so excited that people have signed up to the Glow Life and they're really enjoying the course, which is so exciting. So yeah, I'm just really, really chuffed, and it just makes being able to go over to LA just more exciting, because that was a really big goal I wanted to achieve for this year. So that's really, really cool. And I'm so excited to go over to Indie Beauty Expo, and I cannot wait to check out all the makeup over there. So yeah. So I also thought I would show you what is in my toiletry bag for going away. Now this is a beautiful mulberry toiletry bag, which I love, and I also think you could use this as a little clutch for going out. Do you think I could get away with it? It's just so nice, like, but inside of here, I have tried to compartmentalize a few things. So I use these Skin RG toiletry bags, which you get when you try some of the test kits, and they're just brilliant. You get to keep them, and they're really great. So I use one for my makeup and then one for skincare, which I take on the flight with me. So I'll show you what I'm taking. So I have the Mother Dirt cleanser, which is here. The Mother Dirt cleanser. And I just love this. I think it's really, really great. I'm running out of it a little bit. And I can't show you that because I'm testing it out for a Beauty Heroes box that's coming out soon. I've got a little Tata Harper resurfacing mask, which I'm going to put on the flight. I've also got the Natural Deodorant Company Clean Deodorant Balm, and there's also Evolve deodorant put in here as well, just because I was running out of this one. And so, they're so good and they're so light. So those are the things I'm going to take on the flight with me. I think I need to bring, I've also got like an eye mask and things like that, which I will take too. But then for makeup wise, because I'm trying to keep it really, really simple, I also really want to buy some stuff out there. I have got the Bio Lash Lift Mascara from Eye of Horus. I have the BB cream, the Balance Me BB Natural Perfection Cream, which I always find is a really great primer. My babe Beauty by Tahira, her channel, she recommended that to me because she's a makeup artist and she deals with, she does makeup for people in their 40s and over, and her skin is phenomenal and she always recommends that. And then I've also got the Hynt Beauty Perfecting Duet Concealer, which this is the colour medium, and I use this as a foundation. And then I use the RMS Beauty Uncover Up in 11 for my concealer. I've then also got the Living Nature Summer Bronze Pressed Powder, and what other things have I have in here? And the RMS Magic Luminizer, and then a lipstick, which is the Caramel Rumba Rhythm. It's just amazing. This is a proper dupe for MAC Ruby Woo. And yeah, that's kind of it really, and my Ecobrow pencil as well, Ecobrow wax as well. So they're the kind of things that I'm taking. I'm also bringing with me my Naked Skin Daily Natural Glow. I think I might take the 10-minute tan as well, just because I am pale and I'm going to LA and I need to get my arms out and my body out just in general. So, and it's been hidden away for goodness knows how long, girls. Goodness knows how long. So I need some colour. And then I'm also going to take my Nude and Noir palette with me because this is a great multitasker. As you can see, it's got some gorgeous colours in it. And then finally, I have also got the Areo Skin Serum, which is really great for if you have a breakout spots. This stuff is phenomenal. I've said it a few times, but I've just been using it recently because when I get stressed, my spots come out loads. And this has been saving me massively. Now, again, I will say, I think the brand gets a bit annoyed with me because I always say that it smells really badly, and it does. It might not smell to other people, but it smells really badly to me. But ignore the smell because it's phenomenal. So yeah, so that is all that I'm taking. Now, you don't understand how little that is compared to how much I normally take with me. Like, my beauty bag is normally the heaviest thing and it weighs like 5 or 6 pounds. So yeah, I'm being super strict with myself. So yeah, I guess I should carry on packing, really. I don't really want to. I hate packing. Literally hate packing, and I'm procrastinating massively, but what can you do? What can you do? So my cheeks are getting redder and redder as the evening goes on, so I'm going to finish the video here because before you know it, I'll have a beetroot face and it will just be all round embarrassing for me, not for you. So anyway, it's just a really casual video that I've done today. I hope you kind of liked a little bit of something a little bit different and a little bit chatty. So if you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. And also if you would like to sign up to the Glow Life, then the link is in the description bar below. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in LA.